All right, and welcome to another episode of Planty Face. Today I am going to do something a bit novelty. Okay, today I'm going to do a Monstera Bonsai. I saw this on a YouTube video the other day, and I thought that's pretty cool. Only if I had that kind of thing, but it turns out I do. So I've got these from leftovers from the Monstera video I just published, which is basically redoing a Monstera plant. So look, these are the thick bases with a little growth already, thick bases of the Monstera plant that never grew into the big ones. And I just took them out. I mean, there's kind of no point of keeping all that for no reason. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and go in the bonsai spirit, and I'm going to make it all gnarly and stuff, okay? Gnarly and stuff. So that's my goal. And I'm going to trim the root a lot. Actually, I need a stone. I'll be back. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but let's see what happens. I got this gnarly Ponamu. This is jade. This is New Zealand jade, but it's low grade. It's got fissures, so you can't carve it. So it's pretty cool to have something like that. So I'm going to first just trim the roots where I can. Just okay, and then this one. Look, the good thing about having this many roots is that the growth will be fast, yeah? So, okay, let's have the, let's give it a whirl, let's give it a whirl. So, how am I going to do this? I want 2 branches, 1 and 2, and I want the stone to be in the middle and the roots to be climbing over the stone. Okay, let's now, this might not even survive. I'll be honest with you. I don't know if it's going to survive, but at this stage it doesn't matter. I got nowhere to put them, and I thought, for the sake of this, let's see if those videos of bonsais actually are real, Because sometimes I look at them and I'm like, oh, shut up. But who knows? Let's see. So, and then we have okay. I want to make it so it looks like it's climbing on it. There, I think that looks good. A bit more soil. So here we go. Let's see if this actually works. Like I said, the good thing about this is that it's already got a huge root capacity. So getting rid of all the roots, none of that now matters. Clean this up. Gonna barbecue tomorrow. Can't have this shit in there. Cool, alright. So now, let's top dress it, and then I'm going to give it a good drenching of water. Okay? I don't have my usual tray, so I've got to be more careful today. I'm actually going to top dress it a lot. Like a lot, you know. Do a little trump there. Like, top dress it a lot. Like a lot. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is that as it grows, I'm just going to keep cutting the leaf. But because it's such a small space, it will be slow growing and constrained anyway. But here we go. Here's our result. Here's our Monstera Bosai. And this root here I'm going to keep. There. Let it see what happens. Yeah, look, this could amount to nothing, or it could look real cool. See what happens.